To develop the all-new Max Recline Seats available on the all-new 2021 Ford F150, Ford spent months studying how customers use their interiors of their trucks to catch up on rest. Class-exclusive available Max Recline Seats provide business class comfort in F-150 during downtime. Folding flat nearly 180 degrees, innovative design raises the seat bottom for lower back support, while the upper seat back can be rotated forward to provide neck comfort. Applying human-centered design, new Max Recline Seats have been granted 5 patents and will be offered on King Ranch, Platinum, and Limited F-150 trucks during the 2021 model year.